Today's video feature is, are doctors biased in favor of insurance companies in workers' compensation claims? Now, this question comes up fairly regularly, and it's a natural assumption to be suspicious when the doctors that are treating you are chosen by an insurance adjuster and paid for by an insurance company. You can see where those dots could be connected. But let's talk about what I've observed in my 30-year career and also as a defense lawyer. Now, there are certainly doctors out there that you can go to for a high rating or a low rating, but those are clearly the exception, not the rule. So let's first start with urgent care physicians. Urgent care doctors usually have one facility per town, maybe two, but that's rare, so there's just not a lot of competition out there. So they don't really have to compete for the insurance contract. In terms of first line, low-level care, there may be only one option, so I don't see a whole lot of collusion there. Now, urgent care doctors do seem relatively slow to write someone out of work or to refer for a specialized test like a CAT scan or MRI, and certainly they're slow to refer to a specialist. However, my guess is that's just the nature of conservative treatment. You have 2 to 3 visits and the person is not responding, not getting better, then you take it to the next level of care. Now, board-certified specialists like orthopedic surgeons, neurosurgeons, and the like, that's a totally different game altogether. These are folks that have gone to school for many, many years. They are true experts, true specialists in their fields, and they really just want to practice medicine, in my experience. They do not want to deal with the attendant headaches that come along with dealing with insurance companies and lawyers. If they take a workers' compensation claim, they do so under some protest because their fees are reduced by statute to something below group health insurance rates. That's a strike one in their view. Secondly, they have to write letters and causation opinions to adjusters, sometimes to lawyers. They may even have to have their deposition taken, which is not something they want to do. So when they are forced to take a deposition, they make it as expensive and as inconvenient for the lawyers as possible. Frankly, I don't blame them. And thirdly, they don't want to deal with claimants because a lot of times the view is that claimants are very slow, very grumpy, very slow to heal, and they complain a great deal. So I just don't see a lot of doctors fighting over workers' compensation claimants, whether that reputation is deserved or not. Now, in some instances, we have over the years found 1 or 2 exceptions to the rule, someone who does absolutely seem to be biased, but that is a fight for your lawyer, not for yourself. And certainly we can take steps to either have the doctor removed or have the doctor clarify their positions, make them defend their positions if we find them to be unreasonable. But that is something for the lawyer, not for you. Hope this helps. If you have additional questions, my name is Robert Reeves. My phone number 704-351-7979 mobile, or email me robert@rjrlaw.com.